Phoenix Contact offers a wide range of connectors and PCB terminal blocks designed to connect LED lights and lighting systems in applications including office, architectural, outdoor, industrial, signal and display, and retail applications. PTF C-Series connectors are a compact, high-performance option designed to easily connect 8 or 10mm wide flexible LED strips. PTSM terminal blocks have a low 5mm profile and a push-in connection that supports up to 6 amps. PTCM crimp connection terminal blocks have the same small footprint, but use crimp contacts for more cost-effective assembly. SPTAF low-profile terminal blocks have a 45-degree angle cable connection funnel with multiple lever versions and can carry up to 8 amps, while PTS and PTSA terminal blocks have push-in wire terminations, multiple mounting angles, and can carry up to 12 amps.